Alright, where are we going, Apples? Oh my god. Come on. No, I like Apples too. No lag is so outrageous. Hey, sub to Apples and Bananas YouTube channel if you like it so much. Hey, YouTube. Oh, hey, Apples here. Okay, YouTube. Why doesn't I pick up, bro? Oh, behind you. Another one. I shot 3. For Sean, bro. Ooh, my FPS is capping it, not where I want it to. I'm at 103 and I'm also probably getting 730. Yeah.
For all my followers, huh?
Kill leader. Ended another one. Killed an enemy. Being shot at.
Get in the ring or I'll kill you myself.
I've been down.
Oh my god, I just can on the floor. This time I'm on somebody, I'm just lagging my fucking ass off like no other. And I'm dead! I'm dead! Bro, come the fuck on today, dude. It's never been this bad. This is the only reason I'm bitching. I don't even ever lag, except for fucking today, apparently. Okay. If you guys find a sentinel, please ping. I love that gun. Dude! Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna have to play like a little bitch. Why don't you just call me? Fuck. I'm like... Oh my god, everyone. Thank you, game. Okay, I see a sentinel. What are we cruising? Okay. Alright, if I get a sniper, bro, pop off. Also, Apples, after this game, I'm gonna go back to main. I'm gonna show you the video real quick on how to cap my damn FPS because 144 is nice, not really.
Say cheese for all my followers.
I've been down.
Now, because now my graphics are... And my ping magically just dropped too, like crazy. I'm on my way. I actually hate this part of the map. Come on. Fuck. I don't know, Cruise R99 I just took, but I don't care either. Where did that motherfucker even come from, bro? Hey, get inside. Okay, so I'm just a fucking idiot. Cool. I'm gonna get like actually pissed off. I'm not even kidding. Like so much shit is just going on right now. What do you mean my control key just popped off? What the fuck? No. I'm playing like shit today, bro. I'm just not having it today. Yeah, there's also a kid over here too. I saw him on the mini-map when I was fighting him. Where he's at? Can't tell you. I have no kills. I'm playing like shit, bro. This is why I need an heirloom. When I have an heirloom, I do good. Hey, kid coming. I think, right? Tweaking. I was tweaking, okay. So I'm just started. Oh, this motherfucker pisses me off, bro. How hard is it to just send a message, bro? How many were there? I didn't know you could do that. My bad, bro. I don't know. I have no idea how altar works, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, bro. Every game is the same shit, I swear to God. I crack somebody and then they run away. Rockets are fired, which is great. Above. Up top, Sparrow. I'm gonna go get her teammate. I got you. Don't worry, I'm not gonna be a dick. Hey, stand on the doors, stand on the doors. Okay, I just watched a guy drop the sky, I swear. That's what I've been trying to do every game. That's why I said I don't care about the kills. Plus I'm mad already. Nice. Can I even just have a damn second for crying out loud? Oh, go res teammate? Oh. Oh, you got him. I'm gonna get my replicator actually. I do it every game. Because if you really want to get that 20 bomb, you need that slide of it. That's like the only way. I don't even shot at it. Nice dash, congrats. How much shit myself and this kid's already to me. I'm popping my ult. Alright, let's do this. Come here. Who is this bitch? They're crazy. Oh my god, it's got shit on by that race, dude. It's crazy good movement. Did you do that race? Third dash, third dash. Alright, the race is inside. Nice, there's only one left. Oh, let's fucking go! Hey, that's my 4th revenue win. GG, guys. Hey, Bear, don't forget to subscribe to him. Has like a little mouse as the profile picture. Apples and bananas. GG. Alright, it's queuing. I got no kills that game. I literally didn't do anything.